Alright, we are at one of the box trucks here at the warehouse. Came here today to check on the roof leaking. The driver was telling me that the roof was leaking a little bit. I don't know if he hit something or it's just coming loose, as you can see. Zoom in for you. Right there. And the other side. So we're gonna get in here, take a look at it, go in the back, see if we can't just do a quick patch of it real quick. All right, stay with me. Definitely some water leaking in here. Oh bueno. Got a hole on that side, passenger side. Looks like some water might have been sitting on top. Some of these Freightliners, they don't have the metal roofs. And so that water can just sit there. You see there's the beam that goes across. It needs to be put back. That could have been what was making all that water drip in. We'll grab some tools and see if we can't patch this up real quick. All right, I just stopped by Harbor Freight. Did Hercules. Left my drill on the other truck, so we'll open this one up and use this and tackle that bar up there. See if it'll work straight out the box. Show y'all all the water that was up there. It was just sitting there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Show you the outside where it's leaking. Look at it. It's just all coming off the roof. And that again is because that metal bracket wasn't across. It's just causing that water just to sit there. With these roofs on these Freightliners, they bend real easy. So they'll just sit there and pull up until you can get them off of there. All right, so we got it in. That side knocked in, that side knocked in. You can see where it was sitting previously. My last driver that I had hit a low tree branch and it knocked the bracket off. I just hadn't had a chance to put it on yet. But we got it on. As you can see, I mean, I don't know if you can tell from the video, but it's definitely not dipped in anymore where all that water can catch up. But I think I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I'm gonna come back and see next weekend and see if it moves. I'll put either a screw in there, a rivet. I have some metal zip ties as well I could use to kind of just hold it, but we'll leave it for now and check it. But let's go ahead and head up to the roof and put some tape on these holes and just seal it out some more. All right, let's take a look at it. Pretty much covered, except for one little spot. But I don't think that'll be a problem. I don't have to worry about that one. I think we're good on that side. So that's about it for this video.